duvet cover to go with the new duvet. This is kind of new to my aesthetic. Bedside table, and I'm gonna replace mine with this one. Got a pegboard. I've always wanted this, but I always felt like I didn't need it, and now that I feel like I'm comfortable with where I am in life, I literally got this pegboard. The little drawer, some hooks, and these little, what is these? Circles to go with. Milk tea with agar jelly. Jeez. Here are a few things that I got in my last video. I'm gonna start with Brandy first. So I got this very cute top. It's so like coquette style. I don't know, it's so cute. And it just has a baby and a bear reading a book on it. I got another shirt. It was a gray basic shirt, but I don't know where that went. I only got one thing at Garage, and it was these cargo pants. Really cute. It just looked like this. I went to Aerie. I didn't show that I went to Aerie, but I went to Aerie and I got, I don't know if I can show this. Maybe I won't show it. And at Brandy, I also got some jewelry. I got these gold hoop earrings. I'm also wearing them right now. Over course, it's not a brandy haul without their stickers, so I got a bunch of stickers. They didn't have the bunny one that I wanted, but these ones are cute as well. I didn't show this part, but I went to Uniqlo and I got my dad a shirt, which I won't show, but I got myself a graphic shirt, and it's from the show Bleach. And it's just a medium size. It's kind of too long for me, but it's still cute. And I just came back from the gym, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of my temu haul. I'm excited to unbox this. It only took Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturdays, 6 days to get here. I don't want to cut anything, so I'll just do a little split. Okay, guys, I actually ordered a lot of stuff. A pajama set. What even is this? Oh, I got packing cubes. I'm going on vacation soon. It's like a fake cause bag. I really wanted the cause bag, but it's sold out everywhere. Everywhere near me. I put on a rope. I kind of feel naked. This LED light, because sometimes when I film with my iPhone, the lighting's kind of bad. Oh my god, you need batteries. Got a phone case for my phone. I want a new phone case for when I travel, but this one's so cute. It has dogs on it and Snoopy. To go with my phone, I got a grip top, and it's a cat in a plastic bag, and it's so cute. Got stuff for my Apple Watch, too big for me, so I'm gonna adjust it. But then I also got a screen protector because I actually scratched my Apple Watch. I got this Gromit plush. Cute. Look, it comes with the goggles. Oh wait, isn't he so cute? Wait, it should be on the forehead like that. But he's so cute. Packed some stickers because I wanted to bring my luggage and like other stuff. So I got different packs, got themes to it. Like, look how cute this is. So it looks like this, like food, cups, candles. I think it has like cats. Yeah, it has cats. Or like polka. I think polka vibes. They're so cute. Wait, I'll show you guys after. So cute, guys. I'm excited to decorate with this. A photo card holder. The reason why I got this is I want to put my Presto card in here and then top it with a photo card so that when I'm on the bus I can just tap and use this. Well, I cut the first one. It's just a bunch of cards that I'm gonna decorate. This did not look like the picture. Actually, no, it did. Vintage themed. And then I got this makeup bag. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I bought this also for traveling. I bought a lot of stuff for traveling, but a lot of space. And honestly, I don't know what this is. Oh my gosh. I got a like tumbler, the same one that Daisy has. Kinda. Oh my god, it's so cute. And last but not least, I actually have been wanting this from Shopee when my sister went to the Philippines, but I didn't know if the plug was going to be the same. But finally, I got the pleated lamp.